Oh, good morning. It's Bob at Moonlight Meadows. We're moving the cattle from the front pasture down the lane. Cattle and the sheep and the goats, actually. And we're coming all the way down here. It's a long drive, taken from the front pasture to the back pasture. And they're eager to be moved, but they're also liking that grass right where they're at. So Levi's keeping them moving, and Pat's driving the four-wheeler, and I'm kind of standing where they're going to go because they're not sure about this turn. Come on, ladies, let's go. Hello, J16. How are you today? Last group. We got some sheep and the goats, and my 10 who's been sick. We've been treating him. Looks like he's gaining his body weight back a little bit. He hasn't been feeling well. They're bottlenecked up here now. The sheep and the goats. Now, why are they trying to come back? They got wonderful grass right where they're at. So usually they walk to the end of the field and start eating the new grass. This crowd is being a little goofy in the head and wanted to come back. So we got the cattle where they're supposed to be, and Levi's going to go up and get the sheep and the goats. There goes 910. He's a very cooperative bull. And then here come the small ruminants. think that concludes our move. Now we need to get the mineral and the mineral feeder and the water over here. And I think we're about done. Yeah. All right. Everybody's where they're supposed to be. Somebody's calling their calf. They haven't paired up yet. Where's my calf? Where's my baby? They'll pair up here in a minute. And they'll get quiet and their heads will go down and they'll be grazing. Signing out. Have a nice one. Adios.